Well. What you see here is a 38-inch Fasco Charleston. If you're thinking to yourself, why does this fan have second generation blade badges but look like a third gen? So this is a 2.5 generation Fasco Charleston. It's a 3-speed reversible fan, and it uses, I think it's a 0.9 amp stack motor. So the 2.5 gen is one of those transitional years for Fasco, as they were using the rest of the second generation parts and combining it with the third gen fan. So this year of the Charleston is this is one of those transitional year Charlestons. So it has a generic canopy, a generic ball socket system, while maintaining the second gen look, but the third gen switch cap. So it's kind of a slew of parts here. This is the first variant I actually own of the 2.5 gen series. So this is kind of a short-lived thing and didn't last very long. This was from between 1985 through like 1987. So this fan right here actually dates from May of 1986. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the fan. So the fan is in the antique white finish, paired with a set of antique white blades. And then you could kind of see everything, and I'll give you a top shot of the fan here. And if you can see closely, I think that is the date sticker there, and it says 5 of 86. But yeah, and you can see the generic ball socket canopy. So this fan is actually on my newest test rig in my garage. So I have a spot now where I've made 2 test fans in, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and start this fan up on low and see what this fan does. I will note it does spin pretty slowly. I didn't take a look at the capacitor, but I feel like it might be drifting some, but I could be wrong on that. But this fan right here was actually a free find off marketplace locally. Didn't pay a dime for it. I literally got up on Saturday and literally saw this on marketplace, not even posted 5 minutes on marketplace, and I immediately took the 10-minute drive to go get this. So best find I've actually found in a while, and I didn't pay a dime for it, so I'm pretty stoked about that. I feel like this year alone I've found 4 Fascos already this year, and 2 of them been free, so I'm pretty happy about that. The other one is a free 3rd gen Charleston in the bright brass finish. I will probably end up doing a video of that one here real soon as well. But yeah. But as you're typical with Fascos, they have the nice aesthetic low, a pretty good medium speed, and a pretty fast high speed. This fan's no exception to it. So anyways, let's go ahead and go to medium and see what this fan does. And as the medium speed, it's doing pretty well. I may end up oiling the bearings a little bit in this fan just to kind of break them in. But this fan, I feel like, was installed in either a kitchen or some sort of something in that nature, just because it was pretty greasy and dusty when I had got it. I mean, it cosmetically it cleaned up very well, so I'm definitely glad I got this. Came 100% complete. It didn't come with a light, but it is what it is. So now let's go to high. And yes, this fan does wobble. I will note that. But it is pretty powerful. And this thing hauls. For a little 38-inch fan, this thing flies. And performance is no slouch by any means whatsoever on this thing. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do screen down. And there you folks have it. The 38-inch Fasco Charleston 2.5 Gen ceiling fan. This is Ginger Fan Studios here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a good day. Take care.